7-4.
Chill the fuck out now! Now! No! Stop!
He was fine yesterday.
Yeah. I'm good yesterday. Stop!
You can't have your dog disturbing everybody inside the gas station.
You're disturbing her right now. Listen, bye.
You can't have a dog in a gas station.
Arrest me or move on. Arrest me and move on.
No, the employees want you gone.
Then trespass me. Trespass
okay,
me.
You're fine. You're trespassing.
I want to hear from her. I want to hear from her.
Then leave.
Arrest me. Sit down.
Be easy now.
What's that?
Be easy now.
What, lock them up?
Yeah.
Here, give me a second.
Yeah. We're being cool.
You're bothering me.
You just can't play your music and
I can do
hang out.
I'll do what the fuck I want to do. Move on.
Okay, I can't. I was called here.
And don't walk up on the mouth.
If your dog bites into us, it's going to be bad.
Do it. Right here. Step up, bitch. Step up. You're going to be dead. I promise you that. You're going to be dead, bitch. You step up. Now. Try it. Try it. Big suck a dick hoe. A big old black uncertainty. Sit the fuck down. Sit down. I'm trying.
You need to leave.
Yeah. They're not very good.
Bad number 518, you want to see what kind of
You need to leave. The lady asked you to leave.
I'm not going to back up.
Get the sergeant.
No.
The sergeant.
No.
You're making this to your neck.
No.
I promise you. Try it. I'm waiting. Please do. Let me show you the fuck I am. Make your move, bitch. Any one of y'all. Try it.
Hey,
I'm right here.
What's that?
you have two coming.
Yeah.
Oh, bring it. Bring it. You don't need more than you two. I promise.
right.
You only need 5. Bring 5. Bring 10. Try it. Bring out the knee, bitch.
Put those scissors down.
Try it.
What's that?
She's got a pair of scissors.
I saw, yeah. I'll stay. You're good. Not only can you stay that.
What are y'all scared? How are you police officers and scared to arrest me? Huh? How the fuck are you police officers and you're scared of me? Quit being a bitch and do your job, ho, or move the fuck on.
More people we get the better. No. They got it yesterday before up.
What we doing? So listen, man, you got a chance to walk away right now. If you refuse to, you're going to go to jail, and your dog's going to go to the pound. That's up to you. That's the way you want to do it.
Hey, so he does have a pair of scissors.
He's got a pair of scissors. He's got a big pistol.
He's got a knife. He had it on earlier.
And he's got a dog. So.
He's got a big knife somewhere on him.
Give us the freeway. I'll go and keep the air.
You put that away, bitch, now.
You got a leash on your dog?
You, bitch. You, bitch, what are you?
You got a leash on your dog? We don't got to shoot. Hey,
Palmer,
leash your dog.
Ludos, take the dog. Take the dog with the taser. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're going to get tased. Turn around. We're not going to get
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Tie around him. Tie around him.
I got his arm. I got his arm. Scott, owner's here for the dog.
Hold on, Jack. I'm having a limp. Hold on. All right.
It's okay.
How many y'all use? Oh my God. I'm being serious now. That was fun. The fuck, that's what I needed. How many y'all use? How many did y'all use? Y'all used 3? It took 3? That's what's up.
Knock it off, motherfucker.
It took 3 tasers and an army of men to take me down. And y'all still didn't do it.
Now you're losing your dog, too.
Oh, you thought?
Now your dog.
You thought?
Your
You
dog.
thought?
Dog's going to shelter.
You know who's the dog? You can take that from my mom. She lives right next door.
I'm making sure it's getting straighter. You're not getting your dog back.
Okay. Yeah, remember me, bitch? Yeah, you did.
Let me know when you're going to turn it.
Stop. I'm not doing nothing. You're being aggressive.
Knock it off.
Your job is gone. Your job is gone, bitch. Your job is gone. Why are you doing this? Why? Why? Because you're a bitch? Because you're a bitch? Because you're a bitch? You want to suck a big old dick, bitch? Big old dick? Suck a fat dick, bitch? Yeah, go ahead. Right there. Go ahead. Hit it. That dick. Fuck.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Y'all good? Oh, I don't have it now. Fuck. I don't need that knife. Fuck.
He's been arrested before.
Many times, bitch. Why is it so necessary? It takes this many to take me out? A whole army? 3 tasers in an army? Y'all still some bitches. Y'all suck at your fucking job. The fuck? Took a whole squad and you still didn't do shit. Bitch, oh,
Hey, the dog's orders out here. Why don't you come grab the dog?
Whose dog is it? It's his dog right here.
It's your dog?
Who's the dog on the left? Yeah, grab the dog.
Pull over! Put your hands behind your back! I'll come and get you out!
I know.
Put your hands behind your back! You're gonna get it again! Put your hands behind your back! Your dog gonna bite me! It's your dog gonna bite me! Dog is a dog here! You're gonna bite woman!
Pick him up.
Yeah.
Tie around him.
All right, owner's here for the dog. Come here, Jigs.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Yeah, as soon as we can grab him.
It's okay.
Get your dog.
It's okay.
But the last time other dog got shot, so I'm
Okay, we gotta get the pro.
It's
You can just pull him out.
No, we gotta go get one of those things, the yellow thingies. Yeah. Can someone go to Palmer's car and get one of those yellow thingies to get the probe out of the dog? Alright, we're gonna get it out of here. Hey, baby. It's okay. Fine.
3 tasers and an army of men to take me down.
Now you're losing your dog, too.
No, you thought.
Now your dog.
You thought.
Your dog's
Okay,
You alright, baby?
Okay.
Why is the dog in here?
This guy's a fucking asshole.
He does. He brings his dog.
You know who's the dog? You can take that from my mom. She lives right next door.
I'm making sure it's getting straighter. You lost your fucking dog. I got the dog. Do you want to put that up?
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Stop. We'll take care of the state. We're gonna get it out of here, okay? We're gonna get it out. It's okay.
Is your dog or it's his? Oh.
The last time we had litigation with this, we got shot. My personal dog.
Hey. Cheeks. Cheeks.
That's when they.
Oh, I don't have it now. It's okay. Look.
Hey, I got
It's
an idea.
okay. It's alright, baby. Alright? It's okay. Hi! No, we'll go get him later, okay? Hey, someone help me. Can you hold it? Because we gotta pull this out. Jinx. Good. It's okay.
Sit.
Or about people up on the speedway.
Is this your dog?
Yeah, I got no Zach at the house.
You got a what? Is this your dog though?
Yes, mine.
This is your dog?
Yes.
Okay.
That's his uncle. That's my uncle.
Alright. What's his problem?
He's fucking crazy.
Alright.
He thinks he's gonna run this fucking world. He thinks he's fucking president of the United States.
Alright.
He's fucking crazy.
So you're good to take this dog home with you? Alright.
I'm gonna take him home.
You got your ID?
Yeah.
Get your ID off the window.
Get the shit ready.
Sorry, bud. Yeah, I stay literally right.
Yeah, I just gotta jot your info down.
Why does he have your dog though?
He's helped me train him.
Yeah, don't get this dog ever again.
I got a whole boy full grown me out the
Here's
house.
the thing, if this yours,
You can toss that garbage.
I cut it.
if he does this shit, you want to take all this property with him? It's his uncle.
That's
He can take it. Take that.
my mom.
I got you.
That's her brother.
Alright, what's a good phone number for you, man? Yeah. You alright, baby? Sorry, girl. It's okay.
Yeah, but the dog I really love had to go bust me. He took my house out and asking me.
Yeah.
He just trying to. Then my last one got
Is
shot.
this a girl or guy?
It's a girl.
Oh, I hope she's okay.
Almost. Shit.
Good girl.
You
So
guys.
she's a little freaked out right now.
Yeah. You guys, she's the male's 4 times her size.
Yeah, really. I'm glad.
But hey, you gotta be careful because don't get a dog to get shot.
She could have got shot.
Yeah.
That's the last thing I want to shoot.
Yeah.
I have 3 dogs. The last thing I want to shoot a fucking dog.
Like my first one that got was with him, my actual pit bull, Reynolds pit, same size as her. He got shot 9 times with a Glock. So I felt bad.
All right.
This is all your uncle's shit, so make
All
sure
right, man. You want to load her up and?
I stayed on his phone.
All right. I got his info. Okay. We'll log his name.
Ryan's doing that.
It's his dog, so we're trying to.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Huh?
She's mine.
Yeah. All right, man. You're good to go. All right. So appreciate it.
Yeah, you got his phone. That's all I came in here for.